Hey there gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you love mobile games and you're always on the hunt for smarter ways to enhance your gaming experience, you're gonna love this hack method. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you're always first to know when a new trick drops. Today, I'm showing you a quick and super easy way to get unlimited Poke Golden tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. No installs, no weird software, just a fast little trick that actually works. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need your player ID. Don't skip it, it's essential for this to work. Open Pokemon TCG Pocket. Tap into your profile or settings and look for that mix of letters and numbers. That's your user ID. Make sure to copy it or jot it down somewhere. We'll need it in just a sec. Good? Cool, moving on. Next, open your browser, Chrome, Safari, doesn't matter, and head over to the site I'm using for this method. It's loaded with cheats and mods for a bunch of top mobile games, but we're focusing today on Pokemon TCG, Pocket Unlimited Poke Golden Tickets Hack. Just search for it, tap on the icon when it comes up, and you'll land on the generator page. Easy so far? Now let's get into the details. Now you'll see a short form. Nothing complicated. Choose your platform, Android or iPhone, and then paste in your player ID from earlier. Double check that everything's correct, and then tap the proceed button. The tool will take a few seconds to connect to your game account. Just let it do its thing. Here's the fun part, choosing how much resources you want. Pick an amount that works for you and hit the proceed button. You can always come back later if you need more, no limits. The tool will kick into action, working in the background with encryption and proxy tech to keep everything secure. It usually takes a minute or two to finish up. Almost there. Before the resources get added to your account, you'll need to complete a quick human check. This step protects the system from spam and keeps it running smooth for everyone. Usually it's as simple as downloading a free app from the official app store and opening it. Takes just a minute, and they'll even walk you through it with a guide if needed. Knock that out and you're good to go. Once that's done, hop back into Pokemon TCG Pocket and check your balance. Your Poke Golden tickets should be there, ready to use. I tried it myself before recording this, and it worked perfectly. Instant results, no hassle. No more endless grinding or paying real cash, just straight up fun. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and share the video with your crew. Got questions or ran into a snag? Drop a comment down below. I check in pretty often and I'll do my best to help out. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss another gaming tip or tutorial. Thanks for watching, enjoy the game, and I'll catch you in the next video.